Okay, I'm gonna do Amy a magic trick right now. Hi, Amy. This is Amy.
Ah, she's in my face.
Hey, shush. Let's see if she stays still right now. Amy, stay still. Stay still.
Cards, get the cards, get the cards.
Okay, look. Here are cards. No, get off my head.
Get up head, Amy.
Okay, here are the cards. Choose a card.
Choose one, Amy.
She's
Choose
thinking.
one.
She's thinking. Which one? Which one?
Choosing one.
Choose.
Choose one.
This one? You choose this one?
Yeah, she
Okay.
did.
Look at it. Memorize it. Okay. Now you people, I'm not looking here. Look at the card. Memorize it, Ryan.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in this slot right here. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right here. Abracadabra, blah blah blah. Okay, let's set it up. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna see your card. Let me look for it.
You didn't even know where it is.
I know where it is.
You don't.
Wasn't it this?
Yes.
Amy, I found your card. You happy? You happy? Yeah, that's right. Play with your card. Oh, she just knocked it over. Okay, cut. Everybody, you saw everything. Go away. Oh my gosh, I dropped a deck of cards.
Okay, let's show you a funny part for the video.
What?